Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, Vaigashi Masam 26th, 9th June 2026, Tuesday, Parabhavanama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Vasanta Rudu. Vaigashi Masam, there is Rishabha Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 9:38 p.m. Navami, then Dashami, Tuesday, Bhauma Vasaram, Nakshatram, next day morning 5 a.m. Uttratadi, then Revadi, Rahuvalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guligalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Good time 7:30 to 9 a.m. then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Sunrise 5:23 a.m. as per Kerala. Chandrashtam for Simharashi, Shulam North. Prayachittam Milk. Sradhatadi Navami. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.